Hi friends! It's like I have my own cooking show. So today's video is going to be a touch experimental. I've never made these cookies, but I've been seeing them all over Instagram. Also pause, I don't know what happened. I went to Target this morning and the minute I walked into Target, I literally sneezed, I'm not kidding, 20 times. And I was like embarrassed at the amount I was sneezing. I'm like, everybody in this store is judging me right now. And I haven't been able to stop sneezing since. I don't feel sick, I just can't stop sneezing. So that's the gist of why I'm sniffly, and I probably will sneeze during this video. Today, I wanted to try to make the candy cane, like intertwined sugar cookies. You can make them pepperminty if you want. I do have some peppermint. You can make them almondy if you want. I might just keep them sugar cookies. I don't really know yet. But hopefully they'll turn out, and hopefully you'll see in the thumbnail what they look like and you'll know what I mean. But it's gonna be pretty experimental. I thought this would be fun. I've never made it before, but I thought we could bake together today for HolidAMY. And yeah, so I have all my ingredients laid out. I got some all-purpose flour. I normally have, well, I always have self-rising flour on hand because those are what you use in the 2-ingredient dough that I love so much. But I was like reading about it and I bought the proper flour, so now I have 2 types of flour, which is annoying, but whatever. So all-purpose flour. I have some powdered sugar, not normal sugar, powdered sugar, which I have on hand because my sister-in-law makes the best sugar cookie icing with powdered sugar and heavy whipping cream, and oh my god, it's so good. So I always have that on hand if I need to make that. 2 sticks of butter. It's a lot of butter. Some vanilla extract. It called for peppermint extract, which I don't have, but I have peppermint oil, so I don't know. I'm nervous about the whole peppermint situation because it's hit or miss with me with peppermint, but we'll see. 1 large egg. Well, that's not large, but whatever. Some salt, and then some food dye, which I got this food dye recently on Amazon. It's like all natural food dye. It's like dyed with vegetables and fruits, which I think is cool. I've used it once to decorate Halloween cookies and it worked pretty well. I do remember the red not working super well, and that's the color we need, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll link these down below. And then I have my, what is this called? My KitchenAid mixer that I love so much. I feel like we named it when we first got it, and now I don't remember her names, but love her. And I have a cute Christmas spoonula. So first things first is we gotta get the dough going, because then you gotta chill it before you like bake it, or like, you know what I mean? Should be fun. I have no idea what I'm doing. Got my Pinterest, and by the way, I'm using a Pinterest recipe. I will link that down below. I am not trying to take credit for this, which I think is obvious. So first thing we're gonna do is place the butter and sugar in the bowl of stand mixer with a paddle attached. A paddle? Is this a paddle? This is what I use for cookies all the time. Now I have to Google it. Ah! I have that, but I don't know where I put it. Oh! I can't reach it. I gotta get some tongs. Tongs are dirty! We're already off to an incredible start. Oh! Okay, I got it. I still don't feel like this is right. Ah! Okay, I think this is it. So, you think you're prepared and you're not. Frickin' frick. Okay, paddle attachment done. So now, God, I lost my recipe. Place the butter and sugar in the bowl. So we need 2 sticks of the butter, which it says to be room temperature, but mine's not. And what I'm gonna do, because I've made sugar cookies before, ugh, my bra is annoying me. And it just works better if I dice it up into little cubes before I put it in. I don't know. So let me do that. Ooh, so much butter. Not Weight Watchers friendly today. Squeeze me, the trash can's right here. I'm out of paper towels! This is going terribly! A little knife. And I'm just gonna cut up the butter. Actually, I guess it is pretty room temp, but I'm still gonna cut it up into like cubes. Which you can't even see what I'm doing. I wish I had 2 cameras. I guess I do have 2 cameras. Ugh, I just had a great idea. Is baking supposed to be this terrifying? I just want to be really good at it, you know? I just want to like be like that bitch. It's like, oh my god, you gotta taste Amy's sugar cookies. I feel like Ina Garden would be so proud of me right now. Butter is a great hand moisturizer as well. We're getting so much done. We're cooking and moisturizing our hands. Okay. Okay, gonna move this to the side. Now we need our sugar, which is 1 cup of powdered sugar. Get a little measuring bowl. Got her. Got a little spoon, and I'm just gonna measure out a cup. Is it a cup like really packed? Oh, I love powdered sugar so much. You can like taste it in the air. Oops, I just got it all over my phone. It's snowing. Okay, got a cup powdered sugar going in. Oh, was I supposed to? Oh, okay, I can put it all in at once. Pardon my French. So now it says to beat on medium until fluffy and frosting like. God. Okay, let's lock this in our position. Here we go. It also says to scrape down the sides. Would it be inappropriate to just have a little piece of tissue up my nose for this video? Oh my god, this is totally turning out the way it says it's supposed to! Here we go again. Oh, we're locked. Oh my god, that literally smells like heaven. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Let me give you a close-up shot of how it looks over here. Alright, so it looks pretty good. Beat in egg, vanilla, and peppermint. Okay, so now we're going to just turn this back on. I'm going to take my egg, put it in the little cup I used for sugar, and right in we go. There you go, bitch. Oh, we're drooling. How much vanilla do I need? 1 teaspoon. Love when I grab the right utensil without even looking. Spoon of vanilla. And then should I add the peppermint? I'm so scared. We're gonna do 1 drop of peppermint oil. 1! Okay. Woo! Okay. It's like not working now. I always have this issue. My batter or whatever I'm making gets stuck in the paddle or attachment or whatever. Just scrape down the sides. It smells minty. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. That works. Now what? Okay, scrape down the sides. So much scraping. Okay, now it says to beat in the flour and salt until no more flour is visible. Alright, let's get out the flour. This is so much work. 3 cups, that's a lot of flour. Okay, on low. 1, 2. I feel like I need to scrape down the sides. 3. Whoops, got some flour on the side. And my salt. This shit is like jumping. Chillax, babe. Ah! Dropped a lot. Scraping down the sides 1 last time. I think we're doing pretty good here, folks. Okay. Okay. I'd say that looks great. Let's get it all off of this guy. I want to taste it. Is that weird? I'm putting in more vanilla. I'm glad I tasted it. Just a hint more vanilla. Let's mix her up. Okay, the dough looks really good. So I'm just going to frickin' push it all back in. I'm gonna taste it again. That's good. Ooh, I'm excited. Brother's gonna be so excited when he gets home from work. If my mother's watching this right now, she's yelling at me for eating cookie dough. Sorry, Mom! Okay, so now it says to just mix it up, make sure it's all good, which I did. and it should be good. I really hope I'm in focus. And now it says remove half the dough, which how the hell am I supposed to know what half is? We're just gonna eyeball it. Need a bowl. Okay, that looks good. So now, oh, I took off the attachment. Put this bitch back on. Go on! Are you kidding? So now we are going to try to dye the rest of the dough red. So we got our red. I'm gonna go for it with a lot of red because in my past experience this hasn't worked well. So we're gonna try to do it with the mixer at a low speed. It said that, but if that doesn't work, I'll just like do it by hand, I guess. Oh, come on, don't suck. That barely looks red at all. I'm gonna try to put in some like pink and orange as well. No, not orange. I'm just gonna put a lot of red in. Like a lot. And maybe a little bit of pink. Ah, come on, bitch, turn red. Ah. We're getting there, but we're still not red. And if you're wondering, in my experience so far, the like natural food dye doesn't alter the taste at all. Well, let's see right now. Yeah, no. Oh, that tastes good. Okay, I'm adding a little more red and we're just gonna use it this whole bottle, I guess, but whatever it takes. It looks more like burnt orange. Okay, one more round of red and then we're giving up. Hopefully you'll have a better red food dye than I do if you're making these at home. I like literally used up this whole tiny little bottle. Well, might as well just go for it then. I'm really wishing I didn't get rid of my other food dye. I didn't! I have crappy food dye! Yes, give me red! There we go! Blocking my light. There we go, bitch! This mixer's had it. It's like, oh, I'm done. I know, babe, I know. Almost done. Okay! Looks pretty good. I'll try to do whatever I can by hand, but there we go. Now that is red. Thank you, Lord. Can you see it? Yes. It's a Christmas miracle! Let's get Big Bertha out of the way. Or maybe her name is Bertha, apparently. Give her a clean in a minute. Okay, but it wants me to pat both pieces of dough into 1-inch circles. What the hell is a 1-inch circle? You know what, I'm gonna do my normal colored dough first so I don't dye the flour. But the next step is to refrigerate this for, oh god, too much flour, too much flour. But the next step is to refrigerate this for an hour or more, but I'm just gonna do an hour because I'm a little impatient today. This dough seems very easy to work with. I made cookies the other night that I tried to like make, you know, cute cookie cutters in and it just didn't happen. You think that's like 1 inch? Okay, we'll try that. I feel like I should move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I will. Oh god, it looks like I killed someone because of the food coloring. Washing my hands before I touch the camera. Need a damn paper towel. Okay, I put way too much flour down. It like doesn't even need it, so I'm just moving it out of the way. It's a really helpful tip. And now I'm just gonna take my red dough, which needs to be worked in a little more anyway. Oh, come on. I feel like I have way more red dough than I do white. Oh well. It smells so minty. It's so exciting. So yeah, I'm just gonna work in the red food coloring a little bit better because I could use it. But even if not, it gives the overall gist of red and white, you know? I should have taken off my rings. Yeah, I made way more red dough. Whoopsie. Plastic wrap. I don't know if I have that. Well, I do. And it just so happens to be Christmas themed. Okay, so we're just gonna wrap this on up. Well, not quite big enough, but that'll do. There we go, there we go. There's one. Way more red dough, whoops. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in the fridge for about an hour, which it'll probably take me an hour to clean all this up, so I'll see you in an hour. Okay guys, we are back. It has been actually 2 hours that this dough has chilled, and now I'm just reading on what I have to do. I have to preheat my oven to 375. Done. Oh, we need 2 baking sheets. Whoops. Unwrap both pieces of dough, pinch off walnut-sized pieces of the dough, about 2 tablespoons each. Roll into thick rope about 6 inches long. I don't know how big a walnut is.
What do they want?
Walnut-sized pieces, like this. This is 2 tablespoons. Or is it teaspoons? Nope, 2 tablespoons each. Okay, and then you just roll them. Should I like roll them all first and then twist them? Yeah, I think that works. Actually, let's just try one first and see what happens. Okay, so then pinch them together at the top. And we're gonna carefully twist. Okay. Does that look like a candy cane? Sure. Let's like do that. No, I hate that. These look terrible. Okay, let's try again. I also gotta remember I have way more white dough than I do red because I messed up.
Why?
It said to divide it in half and I just guessed and
Not exactly halves?
Huh?
Not exactly halves?
Not quite. And this makes 12 cookies, so I'm going to just put 6 on each. That's basic math. Oh, they're cute! Okay, I'm gonna press on. I am not gonna have enough white dough to do 6 of these, y'all. Or 12, I mean. Okay, so here are my candy canes. I did not have enough white to make 12, so I made 9.5. That's a baby one. So I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm gonna do them for 5 minutes and then flip the thing because my oven is crazier on one side, so I'll let you know. Okay, so they are out of the oven and they are cooling. And yeah, once they cool, me and Bradley will do a taste test, but I think they look really cute. They don't all look that great, but like, I have a couple of good ones. And then I had extra red cookie dough, so I don't have any Christmas cookie cutters. I have like a Christmas twinkle light, hearts and stars, so I'm gonna bake these. But yeah, we'll be right back with a taste test. Okay, I brought Bradley here to taste test. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, good.
It's good. Tastes like a biscuit and not a cookie.
How much sugar's in it?
Not a lot. And it's powdered sugar.
Right.
And I think it's these baking mats that I use that I'm loving.
I always like dry on the top of my mouth.
Maybe because they're, I don't know, they're not good.
I'm enjoying it though.
That one drop of peppermint, like whoa. So you
Yeah.
have to like mint to like these?
I like peppermint.
Me too. They're good. They leave a nice refreshing taste in your mouth.
I'm gonna finish it.
Me too. Okay guys, love you.
Your battery's about today.
I don't know, that was a good bite.
Mmm.
I had fun today.
Well, good. Oh, good.
End my video for me. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next HolidAMY video. You can subscribe, watch some videos, make the cookies, send me pictures if you do. Again, I'll leave the Pinterest link down below.
What happens when theirs look much better though?
They will. Okay, love you. Bye!